Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called I Am Not Scared by Anna Kang, illustrated by Christopher Wayant. You are scared. I am not scared. Are you? No, I am brave. This will be fun. You look scared. Loop of doom. Well, maybe a little. Don't worry, things are much scarier. Things like this. Like what? Like snake. Snake? Yes, they are scary. Or what? How about a tub of hairy spiders? Now that is scary. A pit of hot lava. A pan of fired ants. An alien with the pink eyes and furry teeth. A roller coaster with a snake. Whoosh. Let's be scared together. Okay. Vroom. I am scared. Now that was scary. The scariest. We are scared. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!